Want to jump straight into Teleforce without manually launching it every time you start your PC? Learn how to set up the Teleforce launcher to start automatically on boot up. Having your Teleforce launcher start automatically on boot can be a convenient way to always have a game ready. All of this can be done by ticking an option in the launcher's settings. So, what you want to do is, in the launcher, click on the profile icon below the cross button. Then go to Settings. In Settings, there should be an option under Preference to start on boot. Simply tick that option. And that's literally it. So to recap, go to Settings, then tick the Start on Boot option under Preferences. Now every time you start up your device, the Teleforce launcher will start up alongside, without having to press any extra buttons. And that's it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.